In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money on YouTube without actually showing your face. So there are many channels which are currently doing this, just like this channel, and also this channel. These guys, they don't stay in front of the camera, which like the way I'm doing right now. And I'm going to be showing you in this video, this particular AI tool which I've recently discovered and I've been using it for months. I will show you everything I've done so far and how I have been able to create video from this channel, from this platform, without even having to sit in front of the camera. So without further ado, let's just jump to my PC and I'm going to be showing you everything which you need to do. So this particular platform which I'm talking about, you just need to give the prompt in which you want, and every week or 3 times in a week, as you desire, this platform is going to create the videos for you, and automatically this platform can also post this video on YouTube, TikTok, on any platform in which you want. So I'm going to be showing you everything which you need to do on this channel or on this platform and how it actually works. So if you will stick with me, just let me share my screen with you real quick and then we can go into it. So this is a platform which I'm actually talking about. It is called the Auto Short AI. So this platform, I actually discovered it, I think a month or 2 months ago, and I've been using it to post videos on my TikTok account and also on a YouTube account. So if you come to this platform, you will see faceless YouTube, faceless video on autopilot, and when you scroll down you will see some kind of videos which it can actually generate for you. You don't need to do anything. I will show you what you just need to do and then it will generate the video for you automatically. So let's look at it. If you come to my dashboard here, if you click on auto dashboard here, you will see how many videos I've actually generated so far. And you can, the good thing about the platform is you can actually come back to download your video. You can see for this particular video, ignite your faceless drive, it gives you even the hashtag, the scripts and everything all by itself. And you can see here, as you can see here, you can even add your own watermark to the video, so nobody else cannot use your content. And here you have the voices which you can select. It has a lot of voices which you can select from, and here you can actually select the duration in which you want your video. So let me just show you something real quick. So when you come here, this is the last video which I actually generated from this platform, and you can see the title. It gave me the title all by itself, Unleash Your Maverick Mindset. And here's the script. You can read the script and you can even use the script to create another video all by yourself. And then it gives me the caption and even the hashtag which I can use while posting the video. It also gives the background music, and the good thing about the background music is that you don't get copyright for it. So when you post it, you won't get a copyright strike on YouTube, or because you've used this particular music background. And then it also tells you when your next video is going to be generated, and you can see here my next video is going to be generated on the 1st of June 2024 by 20:45 p.m. and it is going to be automatically. And here I've actually selected that it should send the video to me on my email. So once it send the video to me on email, then I can decide when I want to post the video. Yeah, and you can also choose here, okay, should it post it directly to TikTok account, which I already put, or should post it directly to my YouTube account. That is your choice that you can select. And like I said, you can also select the voice in which you wanted. You can see there are a lot of voices here which you can select, and the voice sounds so professional. They don't sound like AI voices. So that is a good thing about this particular platform. And then you can choose your duration. So let me show you something real quick just by the side. When you come to here, you have create, and then you ask you for your destination. So like I said, email to me instead, not post directly for me. And then when I click, so let me show you, I'm going to clear my series which I already have, so just to show you how everything works on this platform. So when I click on delete my series which I have before, then I can create another series. So create a series. When you click on create a series, choose your destination, email to me, like I said, choose your content, and here you can choose the kind of content you want. Do you want a motivational kind of video? Do you want a scary story? Do you want a random AI stories, or you want interesting history? I will tell you that interesting history and motivational video, they really get a lot of views on social media platform. Fun facts also get a lot of views, and here you also have life pro tips which are actually good, and you have philosophies, you have product marketing, and you have a whole lot of stuff you can select from. So you choose the one you want. Let's say I want best time story, or let's say I want something like scary story, or maybe let me just say long form jokes. Yeah, let's say I just want a joke, then yeah, I can select the voices which I want. You can listen to the voices, you can play them back, but I always like to use this voice here. I know it because I'm already used to it and I love the voice. And then you can select which language you want your video to be. Is it in German, is it in Dutch, is it in Danish, is it in Korean, is it in Japanese? Just select which one you want, and then you can actually choose how long you want your video to be. And here you can just click on create series. Okay, let's say I want just 30 to 60 seconds video because I want to make it like a short. Yeah, I want a short video, I don't want a long form video. And then I can click on create series, and when I click on create series, you will see it's loading, and then it will start generating the stuff for me. And you can see it has already given me a title, it has given me a caption, and it has given me the script for this particular story, and it will just start generating everything. You can see it's like 5% done. You see, you are not sitting in front of the camera, you just need to do the few clicks, and then the video is going to be generated automatically for you. So when it's done, it's going to email me the video, because I said it should email me the video. Then I can watch the video again and then check, okay, if everything is okay. If it's not okay, I can come back and also change the background music or remove the background music totally, and that is all. So let's look at how much it's actually cost for this particular platform. Of course, it's not free, but it's actually little. But compared to how much you're going to be paying for stuff, so let's just look at it. I'm just going to show you how much this thing costs. So I paid like, so you pay like $15 for this, and then you get 3 videos per week. 3 videos per week, which you can post on any of your platform. If you have like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, on TikTok, you can post the same video which you generate, and it gives you like 3 times a week. Yeah, and then you can see the pricing here, so you can change your plan. There's also the free version of it, which you are going to get just 1 video, 1 series, that is per week. And then you have the starter version, which is $90 per month, and you have the daily version, and you can see what comes with each version, each plan. I'm going to be linking it in the description, so there's no need, so you can check it out by yourself if you wanted to know. So that is everything about this particular platform. I've been using it, and I think it's really good platform if you are this type of person who doesn't want to sit in front of the camera, or who don't want to record video just like I do. So this is a nice one, because it's going to be generating the video for you, autopilot, and all you just need to do is just post the video and try to promote yourself after posting the video. And with that, you can just sit down and then make your money on YouTube or on TikTok as you want. So I hope this was helpful for you. This is everything I want to bring to you today. Like I told you, I'm going to be putting the link to this particular website in the description, so you can just click on it and then you can register if you want. If you use the link in my description, you are going to get 30% off from how much you are going to be paying, depending on the platform in which you are choosing. My name is Akere Bolova. As you know, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. So for now, stay cool, and if you have any question, don't forget to just put it in the comment section. So bye for now.